MyCoolPackaging presents global packaging regulations, what every brand should know. Do you know your packaging could be illegal in another country even if it's eco-friendly? Do you know why packaging regulations matter the most? Regulations protect consumers and the planet. But if you are non-compliant, it can cost you heavily. In this video, we are breaking down the packaging regulations across key markets, the US, EU, India, China and more, so your packaging can stay competitive with complaints.
So, let's start the session.
Let's discuss about the packaging regulations in the US. Any mislabeling can lead to a serious legal action. In the U.S., the Food and Drug Administration (FDA), Federal Trade Commission (FTC) and the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency (U.S. EPA) govern labeling, recycling claims and product safety. FDA ensures very accurate nutrition information on labels, both in texts and QR codes. It also encourages to have specialty packaging like child-resistant packaging as an addition. FTC ensures consumer protection from deceptive information and frauds. It also ensures fair competition by preventing unfair business practices. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency guarantees recycling claims by incorporating. Next, we will discuss about the packaging regulations in European region EU. The European Union enforces strict rules by prioritizing precautionary principles. EU enforces strict rules for recyclable materials, minimal waste and share producer responsibility. CE, a French word, conformité européenne, or European conformity, affirms the goods' conformity with the European health, safety, and environmental protection standards. EU also encourages detailed EPR flowchart adherence and language switch icons. GMO labeling must for any food which contains more than 0.9% of genetically modified organisms. There is, however, a difference in packaging regulations between EU packaging and US. European Union prioritizes precautionary principles to minimize potential risks and ensure transparency. The U.S. focuses on industry flexibility while still providing basic nutritional information. We will share few more slides to explain these in details. We are trying to show the difference in label between Quaker Oats label in the US and EU. We can see a more detailed list of ingredients in the US labels over EU labels. In this slide, we can see the difference in label in the McDonald's fries label in the US and in the UK. We can see a more detailed list of ingredients in the US labels over UK labels. In this slide, we can see the difference in label in the McDonald's fries label in the US and in the UK. We can see a more detailed list of ingredients in the US labels over UK labels. Next, we will discuss about the packaging regulations in India. Indian regulatory authorities ensures consumer safety and detailed product information for every product. Every label must have product name, detailed ingredient list, net quantity, manufacturing or packing date, best before use date, allergen information, manufacturer or importer information, recycling logo. There are 4 layers of packaging compliance for Indian brands. It starts with understanding the basics of packaging regulations, knowing packaging compliance, selecting the eco-friendly packaging, and knowing the benefits of packaging compliance. India's EPR rules require registration and recycled content. EPR portal registration is a must. Food contact packaging must meet BIS standards. In India, there are different marks and authorities for different product categories. BIS hallmark are used for jewelers. ISI marking are for industrial products. FPO marking are for processed products. Consumer Protection Act (COPRA) ensures protection to consumer rights.
Let's discuss about the packaging regulations in China. Chinese packaging authorities ensures no overpackaging billboards along with many other mandatory regulations.
China mandates minimal packaging, local language labels, and strict recycling compliance for pre-packaged food and drink products. GB 7718 is for general principles, and GB 28050 is for nutritional and food products labeling. Chinese language labels and Chinese recycling logo is a must in every label.
The labels of pre-packaged food and drink products imported into China should display the following information in Chinese: product name, list of ingredients, date of production, best of date, country of origin, Chinese importer or distributor name and its contact details, storage conditions, and net weight. This is the typical display format of a Chinese label presented in English. It has main display panel and non-main display panel. Display panel contains record number, product name, production date, expiry date, net content, and specification. Non-display panel contains many more informations starting from ingredients and allergenic substances too. Product standard code, manufacturer, food production license number, customer care service hotline number, and working hours information. Canadian packaging regulations include bilingual label requirements along with detailed ingredients information, best before information, and recycling details. Australian Packaging Regulatory Authority. Adequate Public Facilities Ordinance APFO requires certification badge and focuses on reducing environmental footprint. Japan Packaging Regulatory Authority has set many standards and focuses on consumer safety and environmental safety. Labels should clearly display all mandatory informations in Japanese and must withstand conditions like refrigeration or freezing without compromising the clarity of the label. Packaging is the passport of your product. You have to get it right, and you are global ready. Thanks for watching the video. You can share your valuable suggestions in the comment box, and IT will help all others. Ajit Chattopadhyay presentation.